Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is a transient high. ये आर्टिकल आपका जीएसटी पे है. इन जीएसटी ने इनफ्लो किया है. बाकी जैसे हमारा लॉकडाउन लगा था, लॉकडाउन में सितंबर अक्टूबर में जितना भी जीएसटी आया था पिछले लास्ट ईयर के अकॉर्डिंग, उससे जो अब की बार जो अप्रैल तक आपका जीएसटी आया है वो काफ़ी बड़ा अमाउंट में आया है. चलिए हम डिस्कस करते हैं 100 वर्ड पर मिनट. सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. इंडियाज जीएसटी regime could not have hoped for a better start to its fifth year. Revenue from the tax hit an all-time high of rupees 1,41,384 crore in April, surprising the previous month's record of about rupees 1.224 lakh crore. After a disastrous period for the economy following last year's national lockdown, GST revenues hit rupees 1.05 lakh crore in October and have shown a steady uptick since then, in tandem with hopes of a sustained recovery. April's November, which are essentially driven by the transactions in March, were bolstered by heightened economic activity. No doubt, the specter of rising COVID-19 case and the fear of an impending lockdown could also have driven people to make advance purchases in anticipation. Moreover, firms in the process of closing annual accounts may have remitted higher GST based on audit advice, while a gradual tightening of the compliance regime and proactive coordinated probes against taxpayers using fake bills to evade liabilities have played no small part. In April 2020, GST collections had dipped to a mere rupees 32,172 crore after all activity ground to a halt at 4 hours notice in late March. Economic activity may not yet be as badly affected amidst the pandemic's second wave. So far, going by the restrictions imposed in several states, supply chain disruptions are not expected to be as challenging. However, weakening demand will trigger a recalibration of production and investment plans, some of which has begun to kick in. Consider some indicators. Major two-wheeler producers saw sales plummet by around a third in April compared to March. Plant shutdowns have gradually begun to reduce inventory build-ups. In a report, Wall of Worry Chrysler has warned of several indicators sliding since mild April, including GST e-way bills, which fell by over 6% 2 weeks in a row. Manufacturing orders growth hit an 8-month low in April as per IHS Markit, and the pandemic surge and desperate shortage of health and infrastructure have promoted industry leaders to pitch for a stringent lockdown. It would be foolhardy now to expect GST and other tax revenues to stay robust till the government gets a better grip on infections and vaccinations. With the assembly polls over, the center must urgently convene the GST Council to add to what is already pending rationalization of GST rate slabs. A regime operates on critical pandemic supplies and the prickly issue of bringing fuel under GST, the Council must begin gearing up early for shortfalls in GST compensation to states that may arise this year. India can ill afford a repeat of the 2020 phase of between the center and states that almost upended the very spirit of cooperative federalism the GST emerged from. Full stop. स्टूडेंट डिक्टेशन को टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद आप इसको मैच कीजिए। ओके, ये आपकी 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स की डिक्टेशन है, इसको टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद आप मैच कीजिए और टाइप आप इसको नोटपैड में टाइप कीजिए। ओके, अगर डिक्टेशन आपको अच्छे लगते हैं, डिक्टेशन को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग अस।